the people in the back, come fix it. Person with a flat, turn slowly. Hit it from the back, run from me. Now I'm on the track like London.
Yeah, just gonna
Paris,
put this music on. It's a banger for
Cherish,
me,
but it's fuck
honestly.
it. Swearing, I should make you run an errand. Now she on the phone like, what we had? Is you ever coming back? Coming with me, get a bag. Wanna see it? Wish you had my phone like, what you doing? Where your friends at? Who you screwing? Girl, that pussy might make me kill. How you acting like you pay my bills on the phone? How you do it real slow, no race? I can hit it, no bum, no trace. She like what? No bums in face. Pull it out, all time, cute face. Wanna fuck with you, so when I get around.
Yeah. We're back. That song, if anyone's liked it, fuck it, shorty contact. Banging fucking song. So we're gonna break down Pi. I'm a holder of Pi. I mind it. I run a node. So I've been invested in this project for like 3 years at least, 4 years, I would say, yeah. 2021. So yeah, 4 years. Beautiful. So it just launched literally like last month. Which we like. So I'm using the Traders Reality hybrid system. We're not gonna use PPS for this just yet. So as you can see, based on the cluster of red vectors, my guys, the market makers, yes, the people that make the market for this currency, have been buying. So now they recovered some of it, they fully recovered it. So now, by the principle of this, we got a level 2 buy right over here. So that was the previous low. Broken, so that's broken. So now we got, that's the pattern if anyone wants. So now we got, shit. We got buy side liquidity over here, right? Gonna put it as at text. Gonna put just BSL, right? And I have to go to settings, backgrounds, don't really need it. Text, we'll put as yellow and yeah. So I got buy side liquidity over here. We're testing it right now. Obviously we like to see more patterns, but let's go down into the shorter time frame. So now we're seeing more data since that was been tested. Changing it here. So London opened, buying up heavy. I'll just make a series about Pi. I'll just break down the, I guess, daily price action for Pi on hourly. Okay, so let's think about it. This was the previous low, right? That caused all this move down. So in essence, you got a sell side liquidity here, which is really tiny, but it's a level 2 sell. So when a level 2 sell forms, it creates sell side liquidity. So even though it's buy day and everything else, the main liquidity is still like narrative short. So hence we're seeing this, but they haven't really gone anywhere. They made the psychological range at the start of the week, right? If I update this, because we are focused on crypto. Yeah, so they made a psychological range on Saturday. And we've been in it, we went below it, and now we're in it. So it depends how this hour closes. But we might see a full recovery to free fall. We might. Because you got buy side liquidity here. I would expect it to test this area. And here would be your buy orders. And then it would shoot out making a W, right? So if I'm correct or not, it doesn't really matter, but that would be the principle of it, right? Because we got sell side here, and everything else pretty much has been taken. So what do we have for recovery? We got this bit of red vector, then we got this bit of red vector, and that's it. It's free to make the moves they want. Granted, today a lot of people will be losing a lot of pies. If they haven't done the KYC, they get fucked up. So this green-red candle formation is in line with a stop hunt, so they definitely gained back the liquidity that they built up here. So they were selling. Now they're taking profits on the sells, building longs. All right, the daily open just got disrespected, just got shot on, thrown the curb. So really we want to see it break the 1.82 mark to establish further long movements, and we don't want it to break down below 1.22. So if it goes down below 1.22, last week's low, and it completely violates the buy side liquidity, then we're safe to say that it's going to continue further down, even if it comes back. It's because it could break down, come back to test psychological low, and then continue back up. So just quick updates. I'm not gonna make it too overcomplicated or whatever. There's no point going down into lower time frames, since majority of the people in here are holders. I think whoever's watching, everyone's holding till that we go back to the previous highs of the like 300 per coin, something like that. But my goal would be for it to reach $30-40 by next year April. So in 1 year's time, since my pie is locked. And then I would make a handsome exit. Until then, I'm just gonna follow it. There's no point to sell. I'm gonna keep mining, keep running the nodes. I think everyone should run a node, whoever has a spare PC, or just, you know, because there's no point making virtual machines. You're making around $4.50 a day from Pi running a node on your PC. So a virtual machine will basically eat your profits. Maybe you left a break even or like $20 a month, which is definitely not worth it, and you'll be paying up front for it. So that's where it's at. He went here, it didn't clear out anything really, because it just started. So we could have a whole 3 months of just up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, staying in this range. Let's mark it off. So here, now let me choose a better tool. Horizontal line, yeah. So from here to here, this would be our range. Low ADR is in the buy side liquidity, so they might tap the low ADR and break above high ADR as well, average daily range. I'm just giving you guys scenarios of what might happen, so not everyone is surprised, but it just launched. We're losing a ton of pie today, so the narrative from fundamental side is bullish, right? Well, markup narrative. It drops, people say bears, but I call it markdown, same as Tino. It goes up, it's a markup. This is an institutional terminology, just roll with it, I guess. There's no bullish, no bearish, just everything at once, really. Just mark up, mark down, simple. I'm not gonna get into too much detail, but I just want to break down this price. I thought it was a good comeback for me. I haven't been posting because I've just been focused on other things, but Yeah, we're just looking for gold. Like yesterday, I caught a nice move. Early exit though. Exited at 29.60. Fucking went to 29.91 today. So $30 miss out. But I took the money, man. There's nothing wrong with taking the money. So we're back at it again. Back at it again. Literally paying my bills from this shit. But yeah, guys, nah, you want more of this? Just drop a comment, maybe. Not maybe, if you want. I'm not gonna ask for it, but you want more of this, let me know. That's all I'm saying. Actually, I want more of this. I'll just keep posting. Don't give a fuck, bro. It's just an archive for me to see. But let's see this play in. I'm gonna leave it till tomorrow. Just everyday pie breakdown. Just tune in. Most likely we'll do the morning and the evening. Maybe 2 videos a day. Just to see what happened, what I project, and see what happens after the projection. Break down what went right, what didn't go right, you know? What went south, what went north. But nice, beautiful fucking day. Put some shorty back on as an outro. Man, I fucking love that song. I really do. A little bit of swearing, but I really don't care.
Now we can. If you come and don't tell your man. Phone like where we at? Is you ever coming back? Coming with me, get a bag. Wanna see it? Wish you had my phone like what you doing? Where your friends at? Who you screwing? Girl, that pussy might make me kill. How you acting like you pay my bills on the phone like